हे गाइस, एम से मलयालम के एक ब्रांड न्यू चैप्टर में आप सभी का स्वागत है. എം സെ മലയാളമിന്റെ പുതിയൊരു എപ്പിസോഡിൽ നിങ്ങൾ എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. Okay, so today we are going to cover. Last time we covered grammar, so this time obviously it would be conversation as we are doing it alternatively. Now, the conversation that we are going to do today is that without which you won't go very far in Hindi, because you'll have to know how to say these words. So that is, and the words are yes or no. So if you don't know how to say yes or no in Hindi, then how can you have a proper conversation? So with yes and no, because yes and no would be only two words, we will be also doing questions. So today that's what we are going to cover. So are you ready to get straight into it? Acha, great. Now, yes, like the thumbs up would be a yes for us, and thumbs down would be a no for us. So yes, in Hindi we say it as ha. Okay, ha. So if it is yes in English, then in Malayalam what do we say? Yes, we say ade. Okay, ade. And in Hindi we have ha. Now for no, we in Hindi we say it as nahi. Okay, nahi. So in English it would be no, and in Malayalam it is ilya, and in Hindi it is nahi. Now these were the two small words that we had to do, so we covered it already. Wow. So it's only ha and nahi. Yes, no, ade, ilya, ha, nahi. Okay. Now the next thing we need to learn is how to ask questions in Hindi. Today we are just going to focus on simple questions, which is where we just turn a statement into a question. We are not going to do complicated questions today, only simple questions. That is, actually we are converting a statement into a question. Now we learned ye, wo, all that, okay, in the pronouns chapter, and we also now know how to end those pronouns with a verb. Okay, we did that in the last lesson. So this time we are going to say a statement using those pronouns, and that to be verb form, and then we'll convert that into a question. Let's see how it is. If we have to say this is a house, okay, in English we are saying this is a house. So what are you going to say in Hindi? Before that, let's see what do we say in Malayalam. This is a house, we say idu oru veedu aanu. Okay, idu oru veedu aanu. That's it. Now in Hindi what do we say? We say ye ghar hai. Okay, singular ye and hai. Did you say that name? Ye ghar hai. So this is a house, idoru veedanu, and yeh ghar hai. That's it. Now if you have to ask whether this is a house, so how are you going to say that in English? Can you figure it out? That's right. In Hindi we are saying ye ghar hai as a statement. In English we are saying this is a house. So in English a question out of the statement would be, is this a house? Okay, is this a house? Similarly, what do we say in Hindi? We just have to add one word in front of the sentence, that is starting of the sentence. What do we say? We say kya ye ghar hai. Got it? We just have to add what? Kya. Malayalam it is also very easy. Malayalam we are saying idoru veedanu, but if it's a question, there is no specific different word to be added. We'll just say idu oru veedu ano. Okay, idu oru veedu ano. question mark. So that becomes a question. Similarly, in English, we shifted the words, that is, this is a house. Instead of this is a house, we said is this a house. And in Hindi, there is only one change. We just have to add the word kya. Okay? Kya ye ghar hai? So all we have to do is put the word kya at the start. Okay? Now, can you see, it's really easy. So how would we reply to this question? Kya ye ghar hai? This answer would be one word. Kya ye ghar hai? Either yes or no. Is this a house? Yes or no. So how are you going to say? Haan. That's it. Kya ye ghar hai? Haan. Simple. Okay. Now, ready for the next example? We'll idhar pooche aane. So idhar pooche aano. Question. Okay. And for Hindi, it would be ye ek billi hai. And question would be kya ye billi hai? Okay. So the figure you saw, the photo you saw right now, was that of a billi? No. So the answer would be nahi. Okay. Now you can either give it as one word like ha or nahi, or you can say it in a full sentence. What do we say? We say nahi ye billi nahi hai, ye ullu hai. Ullu means owl. So the photo you saw was of an owl. Okay. So ये नहीं, यह बिल्ली नहीं है, ये उल्लू है. Okay, good. So we saw. If you have to say for yes, okay. Right now we asked whether क्या ये घर है. You said हाँ. If you have to frame it in a full sentence, you'll say हाँ ये घर है. Simple. You just have to add an extra ha, or you just have to add an extra nahi. And if it is nahi, you can write it like what is it. So nahi ye billi nahi hai, ye ullu hai. Got it? Now that's it. One more thing in Hindi which is there, which is not there in English or Malayalam, I guess, it is G. Okay, we use G in Hindi for respect. We don't say, we don't have special words for respect in English. Okay, we'll just say yes sir, or we might say yes sir, yes ma'am, like that. Okay, that if you're talking to someone superior. If your boss is going to ask you a question such as क्या ये किताब तुम्हारी है? So if it is yours, what do we say? What you'll normally say, according to what I taught you right now, you'll just say हाँ ये किताब मेरी है. Now तुम्हारी मेरी, you know what is तुम and मैं, so it is made up of that only. We'll learn it in future lessons. Don't focus on that. Just focus क्या ये किताब तुम्हारी है. In English that means is this your book? In Hindi, in Malayalam it would be ഇത് നിങ്ങളുടെ പുസ്തകമാണോ. And in Hindi we are saying क्या ये किताब तुम्हारी है. Now if your answer is हाँ ये किताब मेरी है, so what you are going to say? You are going to say हाँ ये किताब मेरी है. But now you have to refer it to someone elder, or like I said, a boss. So what you will say, instead of saying हाँ, you can always say जी हाँ. That's it. We'll add जी हाँ, or you can also say हाँ जी. Okay, हाँ जी, जी हाँ. Same thing. Now, if the answer is nahi, that is no, ilya. So what are you going to say? Ji nahi or nahi ji. That's it. Okay. So for respect, you are just going to add the word ji. Okay. In Malayalam, we don't say ilya ji or anything like that. We just say ilya. And in English also, we'll just say no or yes. And in Malayalam, we'll say ade. So, but in Hindi, we can always add G. Now, practice writing your own simple little questions and reply to them. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any doubt. Be sure to practice the word ha, yes, ade, and nahi, no, ilya. because you will be needing them a lot. Okay, so this was only for today's lesson, that is ha, nahi, and how to ask a question. That is, just add kya in front of a question. In front of a statement, it will turn out to be a question. And if you are showing respect, then you'll just say ji. Okay, so that's it for today. Until next time, bye bye.